Here's what's for breakfast. Pancake famichiki sandwich. Pancake pre-buttered, pre-mapled. Earl Grey tea as beverage of choice. John, how was your cafe exploration this morning?
It was great. It was nice to have a sit-down iced coffee. I haven't done that in a while.
It was in a glass?
Yeah.
Very European.
Very European.
That's awesome. We're all packed, ready to go. We made it off of a really, really busy train.
Dude, we got sardines.
Every time one person would get off, 3 people would get on.
Dude, what they fit an amount of people I didn't know was possible.
It was like a clown car.
Yeah.
It just kept going.
And I've been to India.
And I was like, oh, that's it. And they kept going.
Dude, I know.
And they were silent.
Yeah. No.
Not a word.
And honestly, their shoving was polite.
Sometimes a tap on the shoulder, but never a word.
It was very polite.
It was incredibly polite.
Oh my gosh, look how official.
And here we go.
Somebody play Tokyo Drift.
This is our shinkansen. Are you excited? Are you excited?
Very.
Here we are, taking off. Taking off on the shinkansen. It doesn't look fast right now, but just wait. Just you wait. Any minute now. We're gonna hit super speed. Charcoal grilled beef ribs bento. Here we go. Tastes good.
Many diamonds dangling. Bag full of money, we strangling. Hate me, fry me, bake me, try me. All the above, cause you can't get in. I don't want no problem. Because be professional. Make you shake your cancer, thank you. Haters take it personal. Like a Canada, Titans on now, jump on. Let's go, not my mind. Let's go, such kitchen, also let's go. Let's go, to heal up, love color ass go. Need you
We're at Mickey D's. This is an Oreo McFlurry, 15-piece McNugget, really cute box. Sauce, they only have barbecue or mustard. So we'll see how that is. And John got shaker fries. Hey everyone, we made it to Osaka and I'm gonna give you a little tour of our Airbnb. So when you come in, this is our front door. We have this area where your shoes go. We have umbrellas, and then we'll move over here. We do have our own washer and dryer, which is super awesome. Christine's got a load running right now as we speak. Bathroom right here, sink, shower, actually very nice. Hair dryers, but must not hair dye for sure. Toilets, let's check them out. I almost fell in the hole. Toilet with all of our buttons, of course. A nice little toilet paper pyramid. All right, Jaden's in the other one, but just imagine the same idea. And here we've got yet another bathroom. Similar setup. This feels very much to me like a very fancy hostel, a little bit. And you'll see why. So we have these separate toilet rooms. If we head over this way, we've got more space to dry our clothes along with that rack over there. Here we have the 4-bedroom that right now just me and Christine are gonna be sharing, and you'll see why, because there's so many beds. I'll give you a little view of the street. Let's check out over here. Got all these signs. So this is the view onto our street. Very nice. All right. Got some nice plants and decor. Very chic. A closet. And the doors are actually barn doors, which is interesting. And as we head over to the other side of the apartment, we'll see that there's this living dining space, which does have a TV and these nice sectional benches and a dining table. And what's really cute that I discovered is that they put little tiny baby socks on the bottom of the couch and the tables, which I've never seen before, so that it doesn't scratch up the floor. Here we have our trash separators, cans, and then this is burnable garbage, which we're thinking is paper. We have fridge and freezer, a ginormous sink, and it's actually a really, really nice kitchen. Up here is the burner. Please tell me this is like a tiny, oh my gosh, a little grill, I guess, big oven situation, microwave, rice cooker, kettle, duh. And then we'll head over here, and these lights are actually adjustable in the lighting. So we've got the 5-bedroom. 1, 2, 3, 4, and Maddie. And then we've got plants. This is the view out of the back window. You can't really see it, but it's just a back alley. And that's the tour. We've been navigating, and we're deciding which building our food is in, and we have yet to find something successfully. I see Italy up there. Are we sure that's not it? We're figuring it out. But yeah, it looks really pretty, so at least there's that. We might be giving up and just going back to the hotel.
Looks pretty cool.
How is it?
Yeah.
And if there's honey for her pizza crust. Arigatou gozaimasu. This is where we live. Going home now. Any final thoughts about the day? Taylor.
It was a day.
Final thoughts about the day.
I liked it.
Final thoughts about the day.
Very chill day.
Great.
Okay.
I liked making our own perfume. That was really cool.
That was really cool. I got killer footage of that, by the way.
bullet train was fun. Seeing Mount Fuji was fun.
We didn't do all that much. It was still a little bit exhausting though.
Chill day.
We're gonna have an early day tomorrow.
We're gonna have a big day tomorrow, so I think chill day today was important.
Yeah. Here's our fridge haul from 7-Eleven, including all of our fiber drink combos, if you know, you know, and our gels. How was the shower?
It's great.
And what are we watching over here,
This
folks?
is Madagascar 1. It's the best movie that's never been made.
What's your favorite line?
Oh, there's so many.
Top 3.
Guys, we're running out of time. But the context is that Melman has a clock on his head.
You say that one a lot. I didn't realize that was a quote.
Guys, we're running out. Most of what I say is
Okay, what's your second favorite?
well, there's one in the second movie, and he says, well, it's going to be ready in 69 months. And they go, 69 months? And they go, no, 6 to 9 months. That's pretty good.
That is good.
Yeah.
And third
I
favorite?
like this one. It's a rectal
Oh.
thermometer.
Wait, I can't show it. Can you just explain it?
Well, it's his birthday. He got gifted a thermometer.
But he doesn't know.
Well, I should give you something personal. It was my first rectal thermometer. Melman, so that's what happened.
All right. What do you think, Taylor?
I forgot that this movie is good.
Yep.
I think I got the plot confused between all 3 movies.
That's fair.
Good morning, Osaka. Our first morning in Osaka. Currently walking over to a crab store that opens at 11:30, and it's 7:30. So we're really gonna be rope dropping. I'm just kidding. We're meeting there to start our first day trip tour of the trip. It's gonna be really exciting. And goodbye.
That's it.
Here we go.
1 hour will be arriving there. 那票是不是我是统一买？实际上不是我买了，我们的公司工作人员连夜抢票，很难抢到。
How's your banana milk?
So good. So yummy.
We've got the ones here, ham and cheese sandwich, and a water.
It's good.
Can you tell us the story about the piano again for the vlog?
That's the Bergendorfer. I don't think I'm saying that right.
It looks like
Bergendorf or something.
Bösendorfer.
Oh, great. You can see that. And essentially it was like the preferred piano by like Bach and all the cool guys. And the cool thing about it, it has 9, it's like the biggest one. And it has 9 extra keys at the bottom. And so it plays the lowest pitch audible by human ears. So like, we're not even it's not clocking to us. It's not clocking to us.
Unless we take a look. And
It's
I'm
really
gonna go
big.
play Doa Deer.
Like it really is big.
Yeah, I'll take a look. Let's see. Wow. I wish it was open so we could see the keys, but there you go. There's the Bösendorfer. Huge. I want to go there. Look at that train. Vroom.
はい、すいません。そのままでお待ちください。Please stay seated until the train completely stops. Now trains are approaching. Please rent passenger hotel paying first.
This is so freaking cool.
Can you take a picture? I can take a picture on the boat.
Hi, it's me. Guys, do you speak English? Yes. Okay, so guys, thank you for coming.
Thank you.
And I'm supposed to start here, so, and I'm taking you guys photo for your memories. So just taking this, okay?
This is the river we're going down.
We're going down that?
Yeah.
So do we get off
Look.
here?
We're going down that.
Yo, look at the river.
We're about to get on the boat. Here's our tickets. We need to hold it just like that.
Exactly like this.
That's what Joe said.
This is me
12 hours before my shift. Is it not like that?
Don't know.
I think it might be.
This sign says lots of water, but I'm thinking it's just to sell those and we won't actually get wet. What do you think? Do you think we're gonna get wet?
I'm hoping they just mean when it's raining.
Do you think we're getting wet?
I think we're gonna get misted, and this is more of like a rainy season situation.
Do you think we're getting wet?
I think we're gonna get a little wet, but I don't think we're gonna get soaked at all. I think we're gonna be stone cold dry.
Taylor, do you think we're getting wet?
I don't know.
They're distracted.
Taylor's having a hard time. I think we're gonna get a little splish splash, but like in a fun way.
Like splish splash for taking a bath.
Yeah.
Like a grizzly.
I actually think we are gonna get relatively wet. Not like a splash mountain, but I'd say like a
Grizzly River Run.
I have access to the megaphone.
maybe like a pirates on a bad day.
Or like not Tiana's
Pirates on a
No.
not Tiana's.
There's Joe, our fearless leader. We're about to embark on a voyage. Here we go. We're Group A, front of the line. Here's the crowd heading onto the boat. We on the boat. Front row.
Splash! Splash coming!
Splash coming!
Yeah!
Wow!
Please, the water proceed.
Oh, splash coming! Here we go!
Coming!
Whee!
No, what? Here! Oh! Easy! It's a practice.
Ah!
Yes.
Yay!
Hand up.
Hands up! Hands up!
Go. Oh. Head down.
Head down!
Yay.
Fire God!
We are about to pick up speed.
Okay! Yay!
First Robbie stream, so right side. This splash.
Oh,
Like big splash.
Yeah?
hold up your net. Splash guard! Splash guard!
Oh my god! Excuse me. So today, this one, bamboo rod, so stack bamboo rod.
Oh, bamboo rod is stuck.
Don't touch, please. Don't touch, please.
Don't touch.
Keep your hands inside the boat. Hey guys.
Okay. Don't
No.
touch. Whoa!
Put the ball.
Wow!
Now you got ball.
Oh! Wow! Wow! White heron.
There's no river.
Here.
Uh-oh.
Okay, please handle this ship. Put your hands up or raise your guard.
I am not wet.
Fly!
that right now.
More beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow.
The left side, most deepest point.
Ooh.
About 15-meter deep.
Wow.
15.
15.
Very deep. You can play by jumping off the rock.
Oh.
Jump, drink beer every day. Yeah. Oh, do you like Japanese beer?
Yeah.
Going Gary. It's very near. Here we go.
Whoa. Go.
Here we go.
Okay, right side, left side. Get it.
Here we go. Oh.
Oh, once again.
Oh.
Get it.
Very near.
So that is Captain's house. Very big, yeah. Jail bridge number 5, last bridge.
Gary. Wow, look how far that goes.
Outside.
Oh. Wow.
Shopping boat.
Shopping boat.
Japanese Seven-Eleven.
Calamari. What? Taste test?
Okay, here we go.
Good? What do we think?
10 out of 10. That was my favorite excursion I've ever done.
I am a little bit wet, but
A
that's
little
okay.
bit. Me and Jaden.
They
Mostly
prompted us.
jaded.
They prompted
Beautiful.
us.
Beautiful.
I
It was
survived.
really, really amazing.
I survived.
Yeah, one of the best excursions I've ever been on. Shout out to Toyota, Lamborghini, and Honda. No, Nissan.
No.
Honda.
Oh.
No, they said Honda was on the other boat.
Nissan was on the other boat.
Oh, okay. Well, shout out to them. Here's my yakisoba noodles. And this
Fried beef sandwich. Wagyu.
Wagyu beef cutlet. Oh, and here comes mine. One moment. And here's my beef sandwich. How is it?
Everything I wanted and more.
Awesome.
Scrapbooking. Yeah.
Come on.
It's like you're so good at this, John. Hey. John has just been like getting really good.
Hey guys. So the original plan is that we weren't going to go back to the bus because we wanted to go to more shrines, but we realized the bus was free or like part of our paid expenses. So now we're heading back to the bus after the bamboo forest, which by the way, bamboo forest is one of the things that everyone says to do like first thing in the morning, 5 a.m. Okay, it's 4 p.m. right now and it was like very mildly crowded. And we got pictures without people in them. So pro tip, I wouldn't make that your first stop in the morning. We'll see how Fushimi Inari is tomorrow though. So bye.
Ooh, I want papakirin.
John's first hand roll. Oh. In Japan. Show us the little fishy.
You know we're nurses.
Soy sauce fish. Peeled tomato.
How is it?
I don't know. Let's see.
Pass it down to Kevin.
What is that?
It's not a tomato?
It is a tomato, but eat it.
Okay, well, we're here getting foo-foos.
This is for Kevin.
Okay.
Oh, hello.
We love it here.
It's really good. Other than the plum tomato.
Yeah, plum
Everything else
tomato was a miss. Everything else, and we're getting vegetables.
Yeah, a lot. Oh, this is really good. This is really good.
Yeah.
It's incredible. And this too.
Oh, what is this?
Never been done before. Lychee wine.
Lychee wine.
It's really good.
Enjoy its polished, refreshing flavor and its pure crystal clarity.
And
That's exactly
I think this is exactly what we needed. This is exactly what we needed.
I agree. We were just saying that.
We had a day, like our day was really fun today. It was super awesome. We were just outside for a long time, and it started getting
A
hot,
lot of
like towards the end.
like small like street foods.
Yeah, we didn't really have. We didn't. Yeah, we didn't have like a meal. I feel like, and this.
Okay,
is
you
just
didn't
really
have beef
good.
sandwich.
I did not have beef sandwich now.
Ellie and Maddie had full meal instead of Christine.
We had what?
I think you're the only one that did.
Well, you know what? I'm glad we're having
I
it
had
now.
half ramen.
Trying to position us.
There.
Well, you get the idea. We're gonna make it snappy.